Hello, it's Marco, and today I want to share you the latest updates for the Winden Tokens. Sorry, the camera is not working, so we are going to only see the screen. So, as you can see, we have now some variables here, and on the right, we can see the settings tab now that is introduced. There is a delete all variables. So you see we have one collection, 60 variables. We can simply delete it. And if we go back, there is no variables anymore. If we go here, you can see no variables. We have now option to, with one click, import basic tokens, the one that you saw, or you can import the entire Tailwind CSS, all the colors, spacings, etc. Let's start with the basic tokens. You can explore on your own the Tailwind CSS, and we are back to one collection, 60 variables. And if you open it here, you see the primary, secondary, neutral, success, error, warning, info. There is a spacing base, there is a font size base. Those are the shades. We have the screens, there is spacing calculators and font size steps, and you can see this is connected with the base. If we close it here, we can explore it here. You also see how it's created, and then for the numbers we have the spacings and we have the steps, and once you press it, it's going to open it. You just close this one. We need from the development. Perfect. And if we press the steps, what you're going to see is it's a base. We have now drag and drop, so you can see it can drag, drop, and it's automatically calculate. And we have the imported the custom, but you can switch to t-shirt sizes, numeric, whatever you want, basically. But the best part here is now that the scale ratio is saved per calculation. Before it was totally detached, because from the beginning you could choose the base and then you calculate it. Now when you close it, it's saved, so once you come back, you can do it again. So you see that it's remembered. Let's do this. Sorry, once you update it, you need to actually update it. Perfect. Let's go to this one, and I forgot to press the update, and now it's going to remember. And this is really important, because once you start switching between, you don't need to remember what was the last settings. Also, the biggest feature for now in this release is actually we have the modes. So this is quite handy if we have, for example, the desktop and we have the mobile. So the base, spacing, not sure all. So the spacing can be smaller, and the font size actually can be smaller for the mobile. And if we go actually to the plugin, perfect. Now in the modes, we have the desktop and we have the mobile. So you can see that a number changed and everything is now recalculated. So you can now, by cloning the modes and simply change the base, it's going to be everything recalculated. Or you can also switch this one as well, recalculate it, and everything is going to be perfectly aligned. So just several clicks, you can now set up entire design for the mobile and the desktop. The modes are also quite handy if you have the themes like a dark theme, light theme, etc. Also, I want to point that the nodes are now completely refactored. I started by having a small hand-coded version, but after I started adding the features, it became clunky, and I now replaced with the existing node library. And also this is updated. So once you now update the grid settings and apply, it's going to change right away. Before, you needed to apply and then you needed to press rearrange the grids. So if we do the apply, we reduced one click here, and also works much better now. Yes, so we covered. We have now the steps remembering the calculations, we have the settings, we have the delete, and hopefully soon we add the import and export as well. Thank you for watching. Please suggest more features that you think that it should be included in the Winden tokens, and I will rethink, and if they are reasonable, we can easily add them. Hopefully this plugin will help you design your design system from scratch. Thank you for watching, and bye.